Good morning, dear students. Today we are continuing with the previous lecture, Introduction of Endocrine System. These are the glands which secretes the hormones. These are the endocrine glands. Posterior pituitary secretes ADH hormone, oxytocin hormone. Anterior pituitary secretes peptide hormones like growth hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, ACTH, FSH, prolactin. Thyroid gland secretes thyroxine hormone T3, T4, and calcitonin. Parathyroid gland secretes the parathormone. Pancreas secretes insulin, glucagon, somatostatin. Adrenaline cortex secretes the aldosterone, glucocorticoid, and sex hormones. Adrenal medulla secretes adrenal and noradrenaline. Testes secretes estrogen, testosterone, and inhibin hormones. Ovaries secretes estrogen, progesterone, and relaxin hormones. So these are the glands. These are the all are endocrine glands which secretes hormones. But other organ also secretes the hormones which are not a gland, like hypothalamus secretes the hormones, mainly releasing hormones which act on anti-pituitary. Pineal gland secretes the melatonin hormone, placenta secretes placental hormones, kidney secretes the erythropoietin hormone, and vitamin D hormone. GIT secretes GIT hormone, as we have already seen. There is a gastrin family, there is a secretin family, and other hormones. Gastrin family having gastrin hormone and cholecystokinin hormones. Secretin family having a secretin hormone and GIP, VIP, and other hormones. And other hormones having motilin, neurotensin, peptide Y, and estradiol. While the atrial muscle means heart muscles, which are secrete ANT, adrenergic hormone, and skin vitamin D. Synthesis of hormone is mainly of protein hormones, steroid hormone, and amino hormones. So protein hormones are synthesized from the ribosome at the rough endoplasmic reticulum sequence of amino acids. They decide by the DNA, and by the translation they synthesize the specific proteins. So they are the hormone or the MR. Steroids are the from the cholesterol. Steroids synthesized in the smooth endoplasmic reticulum by the cholesterol, and amines are synthesized from the tyrosine in the cytoplasm. Storage and release. Protein is stored in secretory vesicles. Steroids, they are not stored. Protein hormones can be stored in secretory vesicles, but steroid hormones are not secreted. They release immediately after the synthesis. Amine hormone, they are cytosolic granules. They are present in the cytosol. How they transport the hormones? They can be transported in hormones in the free form and or protein bound form. Free form, the protein hormones, peptide hormones, and catecholamines, they can transport freely in the free form in the blood, while the steroid and thyroid hormone mainly bound with the transport protein and they transport in the blood. Binding is important for regulation action of the hormone, regulating action of the hormone, acting as a reservoir, determination of the removal and metabolism, and half-life, and they may help in a diagnosis of the particular hypo condition or hyper condition of the hormone. So we have already discussed the protein hormones are, they can carry by the, they attach with the protein and they can travel from one part to the other part. Circulating, transporting, these are the circulating transport protein, specific protein and non-specific protein. Specific protein means corticosteroid binding globulins proteins. They bind the cortisol and aldosterone hormone. Thyroxine binding globulin, they bind with the thyroxine hormone and T3. triiodide. Sex hormone binding globulins, they bind testosterone and estrogen. Non-specific is albumin protein, which bound most of the steroids and thyroxine. Thyretin prealbumin is thyroxine and some steroid. Receptor binding, see, free hormone, here is the free hormone. It can bind with the carrier protein. It can degrade later on, secrete from the endocrine gland. Once hormone is secreted from the endocrine gland, it goes in the free form, then it can bond with the hormone or it can degrade it. Or it can attach with the receptor and produce a biological effects. What is the mechanism of action of the different types of the hormones? This is important question that usually asked. What are the mechanism of the different hormones? Means peptide hormones, what is the mechanism? Thyroid, steroid hormone, what is the mechanism of action? And the amine hormones. So attachment of the cell. So the hormones are acting by attaching with the specific receptors. So the peptide hormones, they can, the protein hormones, they can, or peptide hormones, they can attach with the receptors which is present on the surface or cell membrane or upper part of the cell membrane, and they can activate the second messenger system. So that second messenger system produce a cellular changes or activity at the cellular cytoplasm level or later in the nucleus, which produce a desired protein, and that protein produce a biological action. So second messenger, what is second messenger? Second messenger is very important question. Second messenger, as hormone having a one message, or the hormone is also a messenger coming from the endocrine glands, and it act on the cell surface, then it activate a second messenger. So it gives the message to the other person that they are the second messenger. So examples are cyclic AMP, cyclic GMP, IP3 and calcium. These are the important example of the second messenger. Most of the time short note can be asked in second messenger. So there are two types of the receptors. Receptor for the peptide hormones present on the outer side of the cell, while the receptor for the steroid and thyroxine hormone located on the inner side of the cell, or we can say at the intracellular level receptors are present, or in the intranuclear level receptors are present. So peptide hormones, which are water soluble, do not enter the cell. The peptide hormones, they are bigger in size. They are water soluble, so they cannot able to enter in the cytoplasm. So they bind the receptor present on the outer membrane and generating a chemical signal or activate a second messenger inside the cell or target cell. 5 different second messengers chemical including cyclic AMP have been identified. Second messenger activate other intracellular chemicals to produce a target cell response. We can say this is endocrine gland which secrete the hormone which is traveling through the blood and reaching to the target cell. If it is peptide hormone, then it attach on the receptors and activate the intracellular mechanism or activate the second messenger which produce a target protein and produce a biological action. So the hormone is a first messenger and this is a second messenger, cyclic AMP. As we have already seen, the hormone is the first attached with the receptors and activate the G protein, cyclic GMP, and which produces action. Step 2, it attach GTP produce ATP utilize करेगा and inactivate the adenylyl cyclase and produce a action. Third step में GTP produce, cyclic AMP produce and other reactions come. What are the steroid hormones? So mechanism of action of the peptide hormone you have seen. Hormone is the first messenger and they act on our cell membrane receptors and produce or activate the second messenger. While the steroid hormones, these are the steroid hormones. They involve steroid hormones which pass through the plasma membrane and act in the two steps. As steroid is a lipid soluble hormones, so they easily pass the semi-permeable membrane or cell membrane and enter in the cytoplasm and attach with the cytoplasmic receptors. So suppose this is a hormone, enter in the cell membrane, this is cell membrane, enter in the cell membrane as they are lipid soluble and they attach the cytoplasmic, this is cytoplasm, attach with the cytoplasmic receptors and will go to the nuclear level at nucleus and bind with the chromatin and produce a transcription. So they produce a different types of the mRNA and that mRNA will attach with the ribosome and produce desired protein and that desired protein will produce a desired action or biological response we can get. So this is the mechanism of steroid hormone. Steroid hormone bound once inside the cell and to the nuclear cell membrane receptors producing and activating hormone receptor complex. So this is hormone receptor complex enters in the nucleus. Second step क्या है? The activate hormone receptor complex bind DNA and activate a specific gene, increasing production of the protein. So mRNA बन गया, mRNA से ये protein बन गई. So this will be the nucleus से फिर protein बाहर आ जाएगी and will produce a desired action. Amine hormones, these are the amine hormones. Hypothalamus से निकलेगा dopamine, thyroid से T3, T4, adrenal medulla से epinephrine, non-epinephrine. These are the amine hormones. Synthesis of amine hormone may be with the tyrosine. Tyrosine से L-dopa बनेगा with the help of tyrosine hydroxylase. L-dopa से dopamine बनेगा with the dopa carboxylase and dopaminergic न्यूरॉन से डोपामिन सीक्रेट होगा. डोपामिन बीटा हाइड्रोक्सिलेज से नॉरएपिनेफ्रिन बनेगा and phenyl alanine and methyl transferase act on norepinephrine producing a epinephrine which can secrete from the adrenal gland and thyroid hormone can be secreted from the thyroid gland. How we can estimate the hormones? By the bioassay, radioimmunoassay and ELISA test, enzyme linked immunoassay test. Abnormal secretion. If the secretion of hormone is low, so that condition we call hyposecretion. So that produce a different type of the symptoms. And if there is a hypersecretion of that particular hormone, also produce some abnormal features. So this is the list of the hormone with the organ related to the hormone. Stomach से कौन-कौन से निकलते हैं? Intestine से gastrin, secretin, CCK-Z, somatostatin, neuropeptide bile. As we have already discussed, these are the GIT hormones. Hypothalamus से thyrotropin releasing hormones, gonadotropin releasing hormones, growth hormone releasing hormones, corticotropin releasing hormones, somatostatin and dopamine. Pituitary gland से these are the pituitary gland. Pituitary से growth hormone, human growth hormone, prolactin, adrenotropic hormones, thyroid stimulating hormone, follicular stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, posterior pituitary nidohypophysis बोलते हैं जिसको और antipituitary को adenohypophysis बोलते हैं. इससे ऑक्सीटोसिन एंड एडीएच निकलता है posterior pituitary से. और pineal gland से melatonin, thyroid gland से T3, T4, calcitonin, parathyroid से parathormone hormone, heart से artery neurotic peptides. This is division. Adrenal glands, corticosteroid, melanocorticoid and androgens. Adrenal medulla से adrenal, noradrenaline. Kidney से renin, erythropoietin and calcitriol, vitamin D. Liver से insulin-like growth factor is the hormone, angiotensinogen, thrombopoietin. These are the hormones. secreted from the liver. Islets of the Langerhans in the pancreas secretes the insulin, glucagon, somatostatin hormone. Skin से vitamin D, calciferol. Adipose tissue से leptin, which is a leptin, which is hormone, which help in producing the obesity or metabolic syndrome of the obesity में इसका role है leptin का. Thank you. And these are the testes, testosterone and androgen. Females में ovarian follicle से estrogen, testosterone, corpus luteum से progesterone, placenta से progesterone, HCG, human chorionic gonadotropin, and human placental lactogens. So what are the important question of with today's class? One is second messenger, one is classification of the hormones, other one is a mechanism of action of the hormone of the different hormones. Thank you.